Welcome to the Listing Sync Pro walkthrough, your solution to updating business information quickly. Listing Sync Pro allows you to publish your business information to a range of high-traffic sources and make changes quickly. With the click of a button, you can create, update, and manage your business listings. Any changes to your listings will be published in as little as 15 minutes. It's important to make sure that you have completed your business profile and all of your information is correct. You can do this by clicking Edit Business Profile. The more details you have filled out, the better your chances of being found are. Once you've completed your business profile, access Listing Sync Pro through the Listing Builder app from the Overview page or using the side navigation. At the top of the screen, you can see your listing accuracy score. This score is dependent on the amount of listing sources you are successfully accurate on. Each source shown on this table will include a listing score and a maximum value on a per source basis. This will provide a clear indication of how valuable each source is and how it is amounting to your listing score. This table shows you the name of the listing source or directory that publishes your business information, the listing score, the listing accuracy, and the sync status. Here we can see a listing where the data has been submitted and is published to the source. Meanwhile, submitted to source means that Listing Sync Pro has sent your business data to the source and it has been accepted, but it hasn't been published to the listing source yet. If a source says connect to sync, then it means that you need to manually authorize access to your account. Simply click on this link and input your login information. Looking through all these sources is a great tracking tool to see where your business information is accurate and synced. Now that you understand the importance of Listing Sync Pro, you can ensure your accurate business information is being published across high-traffic sources, and if you ever need to make a change, your customers will know as quickly as possible.